In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your card to PayPal. This is a simple process that can enhance your online shopping experience. By linking your card, you can easily make purchases and manage your finances. Let's get started on this step-by-step guide. First, open a browser and search for PayPal. You can use any web browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Simply type in PayPal in the search bar and hit enter. You will see a list of search results pop up. Look for the official PayPal website, which usually appears at the top of the list. This is important because using the official site ensures that your information is secure. Once you find the correct link, click on it to proceed. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you have a PayPal account, you will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. If you haven't created an account yet, you will need to sign up before proceeding. Logging in is crucial because it connects you to your personal wallet and settings. After entering your details, click the Login button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, click on the Wallet tab located in the navigation menu at the top of the page. The Wallet tab is where you can manage all your payment methods. It typically has a distinct icon that makes it easy to identify. Clicking here takes you to a page that shows your current cards and bank accounts linked to your PayPal. This is an essential step as it sets the stage for adding your new card. From there, click the Link a Card option displayed under your wallet overview. This button is usually highlighted and easy to find. By selecting this option, you're indicating to PayPal that you want to add a new card to your account. It's a straightforward action, but it's a significant one because you are expanding your payment options for future transactions. After clicking the button, you will be taken to a new page to enter your card details. At this point, enter your card details, including the expiration date, security code, and correct billing address. Make sure to double-check that all the information is accurate. The security code is typically a 3-digit number found on the back of your card. Inputting your billing address is necessary as it verifies that you are the cardholder. This step is critical for preventing fraud and ensuring your card works seamlessly with PayPal. Finally, click the Link Card button to finalize the addition. This action confirms that you want to add your card to your PayPal account. Once you click this button, PayPal will process your request. You should see a confirmation message appear shortly after. It's reassuring to know that completing this step securely adds your card for future transactions. With your card linked, you are now ready to shop online effortlessly. Now you have successfully added your card to PayPal. You can manage your payment methods anytime through the Wallet tab. This makes online shopping easier and more convenient. Thank you for following along, and happy shopping with PayPal.